Hey guys,
Hello.
we're back. None of the chickens grew.
So yeah, my basement's going pretty well. James is gonna build his own because this is my part of the basement. He'll go downstairs, and I'm gonna hit it. So it's now 1 o'clock.
My basement's gonna be right next to yours. Now I'm taking this sign.
What are you doing? No.
This is my sign.
What are you gonna do with it?
Make my own
With your own what?
basement.
This is the basement. This is our basement. Give me the sign back, idiot. Give me the sign back.
And what am I supposed to mine?
I'll show you. I'm gonna make your basement.
Wee, basement. Woo. Ooh, is this my basement right here?
No, get a life. That's mine.
Um,
Go upstairs. I'll surprise you.
I am upstairs. Like no chicken in there. Cause they might die. We have 62 charcoal. Yes, I am the big monster with this pickaxe.
Okay, this is your basement.
Ooh, my basement, yay! Times at 0. That's fun.
Down, and it's right here. I mean, no. It's right here. It's your basement.
My basement, yay! Where is it?
Down here. It's your basement. Make it bigger.
Right here?
Yes, that's your basement.
Oh, it's small.
Make it bigger. Silly.
It's like moving into something. You gotta make it bigger. Yeah, that's fine. Make it bigger.
And to get into my basement, it takes a bunch of skills.
No, not really.
Yes, really.
No.
Hut. Dang it. Messed up.
That's what she said.
Whatever.
It's easy getting into yours. Oh, hello. Whee.
Sure it is. You failed.
No. I'm just trying to get up. And get some...
Yeah, well, I'm making it impossible to get into my basement. There. One ladder. Now this is going to be as hard as heck. Try to get up there.
Oh,
Oh, that's mine.
it's my basement.
Well, yeah, I made it for you. Give me half of that.
No.
The audience says give me half. Write in the comments below if I should deserve half of that coal because I made the basement for James.
Yes, and you made it for me, which is now mine.
Not really. This is my basement. Facility. You have to
It's
pay
my-
rent. You have to
it's
pay.
my server,
You have to pay rent.
and it's my server.
I don't give a crap.
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna play like that, boy?
I got like 11, so you get like 6.
Yeah. I get 6. If you knew math, you know that's a ripoff.
Yeah.
Whee!
Here's your payment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm out of here.
And I'm gonna go get some more coaches.
Yeah. James is not gonna play that. It's my server game with me because I actually don't give a giggity. Gosh. Okay, that was off of. I'm sorry. I copied something. I should have done that. I will leave you guys forever.